Alright guys, it's freezing over here, and today we're going to talk about how to make money on YouTube with a small channel. So, the biggest problem with starting on YouTube is getting an audience, and I know that feeling all too well. The idea is you want to start something on YouTube and get it monetized because you've put a lot of work into your videos that you sit and ramble on about and people don't give a shit about, but you want to make some money. Or you've actually created useful content that doesn't quite have the following it should, despite being top notch and 10 times the value that you're asking for. So, how the hell do you make money with a small YouTube channel? The idea is not size, but it is the effectiveness of your audience. In other words, say you have a channel that has 1,000 subscribers. That's nothing, right? You get maybe 200, 300 views on a video over a 7-day period. But you have a way of monetizing each one of those videos to where 1 out of 200 people convert to, let's say, a $500 deal. No, we'll say $5,000. Now that's some damn good money. $5,000 for one video over a week? Pretty good. The thing about making money with a small YouTube channel is you need to, number one, have a fucking plan. If you fail to plan, you might as well plan to fail. So, have a plan, know what you're talking about, and number two is I want you to pick 1 or 2 topics to talk about on your channel. So that can be bluefoot fungus from Australia. It can be motivational speeches. It can be anything. But stick to it and pick something specific. The narrower your focus, the faster your videos will rank, and the more likely the people whom you market to will make you money, to put it quite bluntly. Okay, so enough beating around the bush. You know the method, but how you make money from the madness. So, to put it simply, you're going to use affiliate offers or your own products. Your own products can be very cheap. They can be ebooks, video courses, anything. They can be anything in the world. And affiliate products, you don't have to do a lot. You just provide value, sell the product, and close it. Person buys it. Simple. You don't have to host a website. You don't have to do anything crazy. That's the beauty of it. Now, marketing with affiliate products does not have the same margin as marketing your own products, as you might, figure out. The difference is the amount of time and money you want to invest in your product, basically. You want to spend 2 months writing a book, or do you want to sell somebody's book that's already written for half the cost? Personally, my recommendation is to start with affiliate products. You'll have the materials already laid out for you. You'll have a product that's tangible that you can sell. And you will have just an easier time. But one thing I do want to warn you about is if you have a small channel, don't throw crap at your audience and expect it to stick. They'll leave. You need to provide them with value. Always focus on giving them 10 times the value, as Dan Locke often says, of what you're giving them is worth. So if you're giving them an ebook, make sure it's not just a little flimsy sheet of paper that doesn't really have any substance to it. Provide 10 times the value. Even if it's free, make it a $10 ebook. If it's a $10 ebook that you're selling, make it worth $100. You know, make that knowledge worthwhile that they're paying you for. And that's it. If you provide that to them, you'll lower your refund rates, you'll increase sales, and you will make a better following. Well, you'll gather one. You'll gather a better following than if you just threw shit at them. Excuse my French. Excusez-moi. And that's all there is to it. Alright guys, if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Give it a like, give it a comment, let me know what you're thinking. And if you're interested in any number of opportunities that will allow you to make money online, visit my website at retail2riches.club, listed below somewhere, or up there, I don't know. And sign up for my email list. I'm going to be giving free content away to my subscribers, and only my subscribers, that I don't publish on this YouTube channel. And you are going to love it. Your wallet's going to love it, you're going to love it, and it might change how you do business online. Thank you.